Good morning everyone. Welcome to the class Physical Education Unit 9 Psychology in Sports. And today topic is meaning, concept and types of aggression in sports. So first of all, meaning and concept of aggression. Aggression refers to a range of behavior that can result in both physical and psychological harm to oneself, other or object in environmental. People consider aggression as a negative psychological characteristic, but some sports psychologists consider that aggression enhances sports performance. Aggression in the field of sports come out of frustration, which arise due to goal blockage. Aggression is a behavior which a goal harming or injury another being motivated to avoid such treatment. Right? That means aggression is the feeling of anger which results in hostile behavior. In psychological aggression present the range of behavior which is harmful physically and psychologically to oneself and other. Aggression is behavior which is harmful physically and mentally both. It known no shared confrontation. Aggression can be physical, verbal, mental or emotional. And purpose of aggression, a reaction to pain, to achieve a goal, to dominate, competition, to show anger, a reaction to fear. Right? Aggression in sports. Aggression in sports is considered illegal because it is full of violent action. In non-contact sports like football, cricket, tennis, etc., aggression should not have any place. But in contact of combat sports like wrestling, rugby, judo, karate, etc., aggression considered quite legal. Participants of these sports expect the possibility of injury during the sports. But same aggression outside the sports is considered legal and criminal. Right? Definition of aggression. The first definition is, according to Webster Dictionary, aggression is hostile injury or distracted behavior or outlook especially caused by frustration. Another one definition, according to Baron or Robertson, any form of behavior towards goal of harming or injury another living being who is motivated to avoid such treatment. Right? Types of aggression. There are the three types of aggression. First one is hostile aggression. Hostile aggression is influencing or causing harm, whether it is physical or psychological on someone else. It is sometimes referred to as reactive aggression and can be accompanied by anger. In hostile aggression, the main aim is to cause injury to another person. What is the main aim? Causes injury to another person. The intention is no on causing pain and suffering. Only one main aim is causing pain and suffering for the another person, another sports person, right? Second, instrumental aggression. Instrumental aggression is displaying aggressive behavior in pursuit of a non-aggressive goal. It is also known as challenges aggression. Is not accompanied by anger. Instrumental aggression is behavior that has the intent to hurt in order to achieve money, prize or victory. Right? That means instrumental aggression is also known as predatory aggression. This aggression is always carefully planned. Right? And last one is assertive behavior. Assertive behavior is a different type of aggression. Aggressive behavior, this is defined as behavior that involves the use of legitimate physical or verbal force to achieve one purpose. In assertive behavior, the intention is to establish dominance either than to harm the opponent. Okay, to dominate either than the harm the opponent. Right? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.